My name is William Thompson. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Physical Therapy within the School of Health and Human Sciences here at IUPUI. My research focuses on understanding how the skeleton responds to exercise. So we've known for a long time that exercise is beneficial for bone, and so when you exercise, it makes your bones stronger. And the opposite is true if we lead a sedentary lifestyle or we can't exercise because of disability or disease. Our bones become weaker and more fragile. So my lab is looking specifically at the mechanisms to understand how bone knows that it's being exercised and knows when to respond. And so we use molecular biology techniques and genetically modified mice to target specific molecules that are in that pathway to understand how bone responds to exercise. The long-term impact of my research has really kind of two parts. Is first understanding how bone responds to exercise, but another piece of my research is looking at a specific drug called gabapentin. And gabapentin was originally designed as an anti-seizure medication, but it's more commonly used as a pain medication now. And even though that's good to help with pain, it has negative effects on bone, but nobody really understands why. So we're trying to understand how that influences bone and how we can create strategies to offset those negative effects. My research is important. It's important that it's being done because it has a broad impact on society. There are a tremendous number of people who are afflicted with bone conditions, and it's particularly difficult because problems with bones such as osteoporosis are really unseen. If you have weakness or other conditions, it's sometimes very obvious, but bone problems are less obvious. And it's also really important and impactful to society because we live in a world where we're less engaged in having to go out and exercise and do physical work. So understanding or creating strategies that can help increase skeletal health even in a society where we live more sedentary lifestyles is impactful. Receiving the Trailblazer Award here at IUPUI is extremely meaningful. There's been a number of investigators over the years that I've known personally who've received this and who are mentors to me and I respect greatly. And so it's a huge honor to be recognized among that group.